In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter 1095A on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can report your marketplace health coverage and make sure your premium tax credit gets reconciled correctly. Before we begin, have your Form 1095A from the health insurance marketplace nearby. That's the statement that lists your monthly premiums, the second lowest cost silver plan amount, and any advance credit paid on your behalf. Start by opening your return and heading to the Deductions and Credits area. This is the section where TurboTax groups many health-related items. If your screen is showing a lot of categories, that's normal. Just look for the area labeled Deductions and Credits to get in the right place. Being here puts you on the path to the Marketplace form entry. Next, use the search field and type 1095. Typing the number is the quickest way to narrow down the options. It's important to know that there are different 1095 forms. 1095A is for marketplace coverage, while 1095B and 1095C are informational forms from insurers or employers and are not the one you use to reconcile the premium tax credit. So typing 1095 helps you jump straight to the correct option without having to scroll through every twig. Después, look for Health Insurance Marketplace of Form 1095A. Then click Start. That opens the guided interview specifically designed for marketplace coverage. From here, TurboTax will prompt you for the details found on your statement, such as the monthly premium amounts, the second lowest cost silver plan figure, and any advance payments of the credit. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your 1095A, including months you weren't covered, which should be left as they appear with no entries. If you received a corrected 1095A, be sure to use the corrected version so your numbers match the IRS. If you had coverage changes during the year, moved, or shared a policy with another taxpayer, the on-screen explanations will help you answer those questions accurately. Take a moment to double-check each month, since small typos in the marketplace amounts can affect your refund or balance due. That's all there is to finding the right place in TurboTax. Go to Deductions and Credits, type 1095, and select Health Insurance Marketplace Form 1095A to start. Once you've completed those prompts, continue through your return as usual and review any credit calculations. TurboTax shows you. With your 1095A entered correctly, you'll be set to file confidently, knowing your marketplace coverage is properly reported.